Last week, I have gotten over $22,000 in payout from Funding X and Funding Pips combined. But not only that, next week I have another 5 figures payout from Funding X, which is actually gonna be a $10,000 payout. So that's roughly 30K I'm making this month of June. So now the question comes to me, if I can make 30K a month, can I make even more? Can I make 50K or even 100K a month trading with Propfirm? So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing my biggest plan on how I'm going to be making over 100K monthly trading with Propfirm. It's going from how to choose the right Propfirm, which tool you have to use to choose even the Propfirm, and how I'm planning to trade all of those Propfirm to be able to make that amount of money. So if you're interested into that financial freedom of making well too much money monthly trading with Propfirm, make sure you stick till the end of this video, and let's see how much money we are gonna be cooking by the end of this year. So basically, for me to make 100K monthly from Propfirm is not gonna come from one Propfirm, because you can't just buy 100K and expect maybe making 100% every month and make 100K monthly. It doesn't work that way. You need to be max funded. You need to have a lot of funding, be able to make maybe 1%, 5%, 10%, and at the end of the month, everything combined, you can actually make up to 50K or 100K a month. So you need a lot of Propfirm, and you need a lot of funding as well. So for which Propfirm I'm gonna be using, you guys already know that I trade with Funding X and Funding Pips currently. But not only that, I'm gonna be using Propfirm Match today to choose the right Propfirm based on review and based on other things that may actually be important for me, because if you're planning to make that much money, you want to get trusted Propfirm. So let's get in, then let's choose the right Propfirm. But before we get into that, I'm planning to trade both Forex and Features. You guys know me for someone that only trade Forex, but in today's video, I'm planning and I'm getting ready to start trading Features as well, because I've noticed that you can actually make a lot of money trading Features. So both combined, I should be able to make that much money, well over 100K monthly with Propfirm. So the tool we're gonna be using, as I'm saying, it's Propfirm Match. So let's get into their dashboard and then let's see how we can choose a Propfirm. But in case you are not yet using Propfirm Match to choose a Propfirm to trade with, make sure you use the link below this video to create an account from Propfirm Match and start choosing the right Propfirm for you. So this is Propfirm Match. It's the website that allows you to choose a Propfirm and allows you to compare and choose the one that you want. So basically on the home page here, you can see that we have a bunch of Propfirm. We have the popular, we have the favorite, we have all, right? And you guys know that I'm already trading with Funding X and Funding Pips, and I'm going to show you guys the reason why I chose those two Propfirm based on this platform here. So when choosing a Propfirm, you want to choose based on the account size, the allocation account size, and you want to choose based on the years of operation as well and the platform. So for me, I'm looking for a Propfirm that allows me to use MT5. So when you see here, you see all the Propfirm having this sort of 5 here. This is a MT5 logo. So when you see an MT5 logo on the platform, meaning the Propfirm has MT5, okay? And if I do search something like Funding Pips here, you'll see that Funding Pips has MT5. And if I do search for Funding X also has MT5, which makes really easy to choose. That's one. And second, you want to have a Propfirm that has high ranking. You can see Funding X has 4.4. That's actually pretty awesome. And then the years of operation, I want you to choose a Propfirm that has at least minimum 2 years of operation. If you take a Propfirm with, let's say, 1 year or 6 months, that's really risky, because the Propfirm literally just got into business. So the Propfirm may close at any time. So if you are choosing Propfirm, choose a Propfirm that's been around for a while. It will allow you to see the data they have, and then just to make a better decision, you know that those Propfirm are more likely to pay you out. And you have the max allocation. In this case, with Funding X is 300K, and then I think Funding Pips as well is 300K. So if as we want to make 100K a month, which seems unrealistic but is actually really realistic, so you want to go max funded with a lot of Propfirm. And my plan is I want to go max funded with 3 CFDs Propfirm, and then I want to go max funded with 3, I don't know if it's 3 or 2 Features Propfirm, because I don't really know how Features Propfirm works like. So for Funding Pips and Funding X, I think that's enough for CFDs. So if you have max funded with Funding Pips and max funded with Funding X, that's already 600K in funding. And 600K funding, if you can just make over 5% monthly, that's already well over 30K monthly you are making. But if you can make more than 5%, that's actually pretty awesome. So you just want to make about, let's say, 50K from those 600K in funding. So if you can make more than 5%, that's pretty awesome. And if you guys know how to trade, 5% is just 5R. 5 risk reward trade, and you're good to go, right? So let's keep going. Now you have all of this information here. You can click on action, and it will allow you to give you even way more information. You have like the challenge they're offering here. So these are like pretty much the type of challenge they have. They have 2 step, they have 1 step, and all of that. And then I think they can also have the review. When you click on the review, you'll see people coming to give review on the Propfirm that they've traded with. And the reason why I like this review somehow more than the review even on Trustpilot is because this review allows people to review based on some sort of data. You can see here this guy, I don't know his name, Yash from India. He has rated 4 stars for user friendliness, and then 4 stars for payout process, and then 5 stars for customer care. It's just way better because you know how much the Propfirm cares about payout, or maybe cares about their customer, or maybe his trading condition and all of that. So it allows you to have more data, and you know this guy never reached payout. He's been trading a 2-step account, and I think he didn't provide the account size he has. He didn't provide certificate. But if you do scroll down, you'll see some people that will be providing their certificate. You can see that he's been trading 25k, he has reached payout, and these are some of the certificate that he has, right? And he has gotten a payout from the firm as well. So if you do go through this and you see a Propfirm that's getting payout, and you can see the review having, let's say, people saying that they are getting paid out, then that's pretty awesome, because you just have to go for one of those Propfirm. So it gives you that sort of confidence that the Propfirm is more likely to pay you out. And then we have offer. So this offer, it tells you like if there's some coupon code going on. In this case, if you use the coupon code match, I think it gives you 5% off in all the challenge from Funding Pips. And then if you come to announcement, you can see some sort of announcement. But not only that, if you come to payout, it allows you to see the payout data from that Propfirm. You'll see how much the Propfirm is paying people out. For example, you can see the payout on 4th June here. This is up to $200,000 in payout in on 4th June. So you know how much the Propfirm is even paying people out. So with all of this data, it's enough for us to even choose Funding Pips. They pay people out, they have good reviews, people are getting paid, and then they have 4 stars review, they have MT5, they have everything we need. So this is how you can do to choose the right Propfirm for yourself. You can even go way more. You can go to Propfirm rule. It allows you to see the highlight of every Propfirm with their rules like FTMO and FundedNext and all of that, right? And you can also choose which broker maybe each Propfirm are using. You can come to spread to see how much spread per, let's say, Propfirm. You can see from if it's Forex or crypto or maybe metal or indices or all of that. You can also come to the pair, which again I've already talked about. So it's just a lot of data that you can use to choose the right Propfirm for yourself. So for me, I have already chosen Funding Pips, going max funded. I'm currently 200k funded with Funding Pips. I have bought another 100k, which again, currently I'm already up about 1%. So if I do pass this 100k one-step evaluation, so if I do pass this 100k one-step account, I'll be max funded with Funding Pips. And then Funded next, I'm already 200k funded. I just have to buy another 100k and then go max funded as well. As I said earlier, I was waiting for a 10k payout from Funded next, and that's actually pretty awesome. So with this kind of data, it's really difficult to go wrong on a Propfirm. Just choose the right Propfirm and you should be good to go. And for me, I think 2 CFDs Propfirm is enough. I'm thinking of trading with good funded trader as well. I already have a 50k with them, which is actually in massive drawdown. So if I do pass that 50k, I'm probably gonna buy 100k and try to go max funded with them as well. So now let's shift into the futures, right? So on the futures, currently I'm not really trading futures because like I don't know how they trade futures, right? But I already have a futures account with FundedNext. I think FundedNext futures here, it's this one here. I already have 100k with them, but I still haven't passed the 100k account. And FundedNext futures is a pretty new features platform. Is just FundedNext but features, so they have created it recently. That's why you can see that the review is not much. So based on the review and based on the years of operation, you can see that you don't want to go for this Propfirm because the review and the years of operation pretty low. But you know that FundedNext features is part of FundedNext. So if the main FundedNext Propfirm is good, then FundedNext features is more likely to be good as well. So you can just use that data to know how trustworthy that Propfirm is gonna be. So FundedNext, I already have 100k with them. Again, I haven't passed it yet. And I think another Propfirm that I'm gonna be choosing, I'm planning to go for Apex Trader Funding as well, and then Top Step, and then Alpha Features. I have already created an account from Alpha Features, but I still haven't bought an account from them. So Alpha Features, Top Step, Apex, and then Fund the Next. All of these Propfirm are Propfirm I'm gonna be trading with. So I'm just gonna buy my account and try to pass. I don't think that I'm gonna be going max funded with them already. Maybe I'm just going to buy 100k each from each Propfirm and then trade. And as I get payout, I'm gonna just scale up and keep trading more. But if I do all of this I'm saying, then it's gonna be easy. All I want to like break it down, making like 50k from features and then 50k from Forex. But again, it depends. I don't know if I can actually make that much money from features. If you guys been trading features, let me know below on the comment section below. So yeah, this is just the best platform you can use to choose the best Propfirm for yourself. If you ever want to make that much money, getting that much payout, just choose the right Propfirm using this platform, and then you should be good to go. So here you can see June offer. They have a little offer, 33% off from this Propfirm 3DFI. I don't know, my funded features in Apex 80% off, and then Alpha Features 10% off. 80% off. That's overkill. That's crazy. But yeah, I think that would be pretty much it for this video. So this is my plan to be making 100k monthly from Propfirm, getting max funded with 3 Propfirm on CFDs, and then max funded with about 3 or 4 Propfirm from features as well. And then if I do pass everything, making 5% on each account, I think that should be good to go to be able to make that much money trading Propfirm. I hope you go and you choose the right Propfirm for yourself as well, and then see you guys when you get your payout.